Hey, I just finished my trading session starting from $100, ended up with 5 figures. Do you want to know how? Watch the video till the end and you'll find out. Let's go. So guys, we're gonna start today with $100 and let's see where that brings us. Right now I'm looking at MACD, it's strictly down, so I'm gonna go with a put option. And obviously we also see a downtrend on the chart, so let's find out how that turns out and continue. And here is our first profit from this option, $190. We're going to continue with 190 on the investment box, and let's go to the next currency. Before that, guys, I want to remind you to be kind and subscribe to our channel. It helps a lot to continue, and obviously it is necessary for the channel to be out there. And also, guys, if you want to learn about trading, like in general, not only with binary options but specifically with binary options, we have a Telegram group where you can join and learn. You know, we share years of experience. Me and my team, I have a beautiful team that shares their experience as well. Some of them have more experience than I, and we are happily sharing that with you guys, and a lot of people are making profit from what they learn on the channel. So the link is in the description to this video. Don't skip, join this group, try it out. Is gonna be in the description to this video also, so check that out. Let's put 190 in here and jump to the next currency, and let's see. So how about here? We see that from after crossing in the Donjon channel, we are crossing the middle line to go up. Right now, I mean, we're going up. We're gonna go up because see what happens. This is a pullback which touches this middle line again, and as you can see, what happens sometimes is it acts as a support line, support level, or support zone, if we say more correctly. So, and that's what's happening exactly. You see, it bounces off it, and this is where we want to be. And yeah, let's finish that one and continue. Here's the second profit to this, 359. We already put it in the investment box, and we're going to continue on the next currency. As you can see, this worked out. It bounced off the middle line, working as a support line, as a support level, support zone. Yeah. So we're gonna jump to the next one. Okay, euro dollar. Okay, let's go to this one. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is we're gonna go up, because so right now what we see here is that there was clearly a downtrend, and so with time you see that it starts to lose its power. But I mean, here we could go into maybe a pullback, so we'll be lucky if we're within the pullback. But also there is clearly a support level that we just bounced off, similar stuff that we did just now on the other one. But obviously this could be just a pullback, or it could even be turning of the direction of the trend. That depends, but from what I see, it's probably gonna be, so I think a bullish trend will be forming. most likely after this. But we just had our profit, so do we care, 6, 8, 5. We're gonna put for the next option. And notice I'm using, so see, this could have been a pullback. See, the red candle is there again. So notice I'm using the compound percentage, so that we can get some nice numbers in the end, because every time I use my entire balance for the next option. Of course, you need to be pretty sure for the result of the option. I mean, at least you want to make it most likely on your side. So right, so clearly here is a downtrend and it's still ongoing, I see. And even I don't know if, I think no pullback here. Yeah, we're just short. Let's wait for the result of this one and continue. Here is some serious first profit, $1,302 on our balance. We're gonna use $1,000 option next. So you see there was a slight pullback there, but who knows if it will continue falling or not. Who knows. Yeah, that looks like it's maybe even changing direction. How about this? Yeah, this is still there. I mean, it's still going more or less the same. But see, this could be, as I said, this could be a change of direction of the trend. So let's go with the call option here, because if we look at MACD, it kind of shows us that it's about to cross the slower line at the bottom, and that is a indication. If there's nothing else to it that you can see on any patterns, etc., that's a good sign for a as you can see what happens. That's a good sign. When it crosses the line, it's a good sign for us to go into long. Let's wait for this one and continue. And here is our lucky twos number, $2,222 is something. We're gonna go ahead and make a couple of $1,000 option now, because we can do that now, and if we want to get to some serious profit today, this is the way to go. Right, here is opposite the fast line is crossing it down to down, which means a trend starting, although we can probably benefit from a pullback. Let's go with the call option here, because I think there will be pullback before it goes back again. So see, if there's nothing else to it, as I was saying before, like right now we see indication from MACD it's crossed the slower line down, which means that the price is gonna go down, and likely the downtrend is forming there, but we can profit from a pullback, right? Because if we just went into the short, then we could end up with this, what's happening right now. We could end up with a pullback, and although we're correct, the price is going down globally, right? But this pullback ruins your option, so you gotta be careful with that as well. And here we are, we profited from this pullback. I mean, likely it's gonna start falling. It's touching up with this resistance line right now, or resistance zone. More likely, it's not exactly the level. Right here, this is actually a pattern. So what we're going to do here in this zone, the price is very likely to break away, although let's have a look. MACD is showing us, okay, we're going to go with MACD and a strong impulse of the bull. So 4,000 for 1 minute on the call option, as we see two indications: strong impulse from a bullish impulse, as you can see the green candles, and then the MACD is also looking up. The green line is looking up, so that's an indication. Let's wait for the result of this one and we continue. Here it is. We are having a massive profit now because I'm using the whole balance, the entire balance every time. It makes it grow so much. As you can see, this is the way to go if you want to really get some serious profit from these. You can also go, I mean, obviously we started with $100. We already made a massive profit, right? And you could stop here, you know, and then use $100 again and just do it all day long. But what I'm gonna do is I want to show you guys that now I'm gonna go with $7,000 option, and I'm doing a call option, obviously, because there is a bullish absorption there. You see the price started going down, which means people started selling. You see this green, red candles, 3 red candles down. People started selling, and then the long impulse bullish candle green. That's what's called a bullish absorption. That's when a buyer came again and bought it out. So that's the idea behind it. Basically, it's a strong pattern for a long situation. So, and there it goes. Hope we don't get caught up in the pullbacks. I don't think we will. See, that works. Actually, it got to a resistance level here also, so that's something to look out. But we're having the profit there. Yes, we're having the profit from this already, and the 2 more. Okay, so this here, as you can see, we just made almost, well, it's 88% payout. This one's 92. This one's going to be better, but we made that massive income. But this one, right here we can pretty much we can look at. So we just got to a support level there. So I just made this $3,000 option to call. You see, we just touching up with the support levels here, and likely it's gonna push us up. So at least I'm gonna bounce up, and hopefully we're gonna be in that pullback there. So yeah, that looks good so far. Globally there is a more bearish situation going on, but right now we can profit from this little situation. So let's wait for the result and continue. And here it is, 5,700 from this one option. 92% payout is pretty good. Okay, let's have a look what we got here. Okay, this is a nice also situation. The price is starting to go down. We can benefit from that. We go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000. Yep, 6. And we're gonna wait until this finishes and see how that's going. I'm positive for this. Two nice indications from both Donchian channel and the MACD. So let's wait the result. Ooh. So what happened there is we are caught up in a, let's just jump in here to make up. So we're just going all in. So we're got into the support zone, and by the look, it got us. Ooh, that's an opposite absorption just now. That's a bear's absorption, if it will. So basically, we got to a. Actually, there is a level. So we got to a support level, and it supported us up, but we didn't. We were somewhere in the middle there, and we didn't get in this kind of a pullback situation. So that was a bad one. But here we just recuperated. We would basically get this amount, so that's pretty good. So we just recuperated what was there. Let's go with the next option. Just make this 4,000 up. It's looking up, so I'm hoping this is gonna work out. It's only 1 minute time, but it looks good so far. There is a resistance level there though, which could be tricky, but I think we can make it. Let's see. Oh wow, guys, we just made this massive profit from this as well. Globally, this is pretty good, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Let's stop here. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.